Hi guys and welcome to DriveSpark. I'm Promit and today we are riding the all-new Honda Hornet 2.0. Now a lot of things have changed in the motorcycle, so please stay tuned to this video as we tell you everything you need to know about this bike. So now let's talk about the front end of the motorcycle, and as you can see the motorcycle looks extremely sporty. You get a full LED headlamp unit over here, and the main attraction are these upside down golden USD forks. Now they are from Showa. Now this also gets a single channel ABS. Sadly it gets only a single channel ABS. We wish that it had a dual channel ABS. And yes, it gets a fat front tire, that's 110 mm and 140 mm rear section. It also gets alloy wheels and a pedal disc brake. So overall you can see that the bike looks extremely sporty, and yes, the indicators are also LED now. So now let's talk about the side profile and the engine of the motorcycle. Now let's start off with the engine. So this is powered by a 184cc single cylinder engine that pumps out 17 bhp of power and 16.1 Nm of torque and is mated to a 5-speed gearbox. Now the gearbox is really nice. The gears are short and the clutch is also really light. That gives you a good feel while you're riding in the city through the busy traffic roads. Now the gear is short, that's why sometimes if you want to start, sometimes what we felt that if I started from the second gear, the bike did not hesitate to move, as in did not stall. But overall, if you see the bike from the side, it looks really nice. You get this white tank. Now the tank is the same 12 liters, not that big, but yeah, I mean it is decently sized. You get a start stop button over here, the hazard light, the kill switch, and the ignition over there. Now you get a pass light button, the turn signals are over here, the horn is right below, and you get the keyhole of the bike on the tank. Now that is something that you see on premium motorcycles. You also get a negative fully digital display. Now that gives out a lot of information like speed, tachometer, battery voltage meter, a gear positioning indicator, fuel tank, trip meters and time. Now the seating position on the bike is really nice. You get you get these two-piece seats. Now this is a stepped up seat for the pillion, but the seat is pretty wide and it's pretty comfortable. You have decent grab rails at the back so that the pillion can hold on if you are going a little fast. Now I'll just show you the riding position of the motorcycle, so you can see that I mean the foot peg is slightly set towards the back and you have a slightly aggressive riding position, but this will not tire you out. I mean this is a sporty kind of a motorcycle, so yeah, I mean it's a perfect riding position, especially for tall riders. Also they will not have a problem riding this bike. And you can see that this gets this Hornet badge, the Honda badge and the 2.0 badge all over. It's just that I mean this plastic you see over here, some fit and finish qualities could have been better. The switchgear quality is fine, not that great, but overall guys, I mean it's a fantastic motorcycle. Just I mean look at this, look at the color combination, especially as I told you before with this blue and the golden USD forks. Motorcycle is looking absolutely gorgeous. So guys, that was the all-new Honda Hornet 2.0, and the prices of this bike starts at rupees 1,27,000 ex-showroom. And I mean just look at it, the motorcycle looks absolutely gorgeous, and I hope I explained the bike well to you. If you need to know anything else, please mention it down in the comment section and we will get back to you on that. Until then, if you've liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to all our social media channels. I'm Promit signing out. See you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and be safe.